What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Stirring here. Now in this video I'm going to do a review for you guys of the Lavalier mic 2 microphone. So as you guys can see, I'm going to unbox this right now. So yes, I'm going to pull it to see. I'm just pretending that I didn't know what's inside. So I'm going to pull it now guys to let you see what's. So it comes in a bag. See what's inside. So here we have a little manual. See what's inside this bag. So in the bag we have the microphone, we have the pin, and what else do we have here? And we have the windscreen right here. So that's it inside this bag. So we have right there that's basic three things come inside it. So I'm gonna just look at it right now. So basically we have the clip right here that you can clip on to your clothes or anything like that. So this is basically for iPhone. So if you have an iPhone guys, this is basically the perfect choice, right, in terms of recording video with your iPhone. So this is basically a vlog, as it mentioned on the box right here. Vlog video recording mic, universal carded microphone. So guys, I'm gonna test it right now to see the sound quality. So right now I'm recording with my onboard sound, so I'm gonna test it out now to see exactly how much change this have improved on my audio. So I'm gonna test it right now to let you guys see. Alright guys, so lately I have been noticing that the audio quality on my phone in terms of when I'm using a front facing camera is gone a bit bad right now, as you guys can hear in this video that I'm using a front facing camera with the onboard microphone on this iPhone, right? And the audio quality is very bad guys, it's very poor. That's why I haven't been using my front facing camera, which the back camera give me a better quality. I'm not sure what the cause of that, but guys, I'm gonna just pull out this microphone right now and I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So I'm just pull it out and I'm gonna show you guys the size of this thing. It's about 1.5 meter long. Guys, it's long, probably about the half of my height, or probably more, 1.5. It's about 1.5 meter. So guys, it's pretty much long. So yes, so you can pin this part right here onto your clothes. So I'm gonna pin it on right now. Yes, now guys, so now I'm recording. Let me clear my voice so you guys can actually hear me clearly, because I've been flossing recently. So guys, you might hear that in my voice and in my last previous video. So I hope it's not the wrong time to do a microphone test in this voice that I'm actually giving to you guys right now. Hope you, this video be much benefit for you guys also. Anyway, not the right time to do a microphone test, but anyway, I just got this product and I decided that I want to do a review on it, right, sooner or later, before I just don't bother to do it again. You understand? So let me know what this you think guys. How does it sound? Is it the quality better? So I'm gonna hold it closer now to my mouth to see exactly how much it has improved and how far it can pick up your voice, right? So I'm gonna go further away and you guys can tell me what you think and if this sound quality improve. Let me pin it back to my shirt and I'm gonna do one more test. I'm gonna plug up back this microphone and also do a next test. So this is another test guys with a microphone unplugged. As you can see, there's no microphone plugged into this right now, and you guys can determine the sound quality of this. I haven't listened to the video as yet, so I don't know how much the sound quality has improved. So when I'm basically editing this video, I will actually see how much the sound quality is improved or the sound quality get worse. So I'm going to plug in back my microphone right now to see again, to test, to actually verify to see if there is any improvement in the quality of this sound. So this is that sound test of the microphone plug in right now on my iPhone. I want to see the sound quality and how much it has improved. Let me put this a bit closer. So guys, I'm going to do another sound test with this windshield off. So I'm going to test it out right now to actually hear it sound, if it sound a bit different in terms of when I'm using with the windscreen or without the windscreen, so you guys have an idea in case your windscreen is lost or get damaged, if it's the quality should sound the same or if you should replace the windscreen on it, right? So it's come with two windscreen, so as you guys see in the package earlier, right, it comes with two, so you have a replacement one, and it also comes with a replacement pin inside also. So guys, yeah, that's it recording right now without the windscreen. So I want to know what the sound quality. I'm going to spin it on my clothes right now. Yes, so basically I'm more further away from it, so I want to know how the sound quality sounds. So back to my editing again, I will also see how much the sound quality has improved. Now I have done some research on this type of microphone. I have watched several videos, reviews on this type of microphone, and all of them are saying that these are a great choice in terms of you're doing podcasts, or if you want to do some interviews, or if you want to just level up your quality of your sound. And it's also good for outdoors because it reduces background noise and those things. So guys, this is a great choice, and this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, right? And I'm also gonna leave some link in the description that you guys can look at, and if you're willing to use my affiliate link to purchase these products, it will be much helpful for me and the channel guys to do more reviews like this. So guys, if you like this video, please give me your feedback, right, by leave your comment and what your thought on this type of microphone, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I see you in my next one. As always, peace out.